Alright, so in order to show the wiring, because they had disconnected when they pulled it back out, here was the 220 or 240, whatever it is, the electricity coming in. This is whatever the cable rating is. It says priority wire 4/C 12 AWG 3.31 mm squared UL 500 watt E19336 90 degrees Celsius, sun and water resistant, 600 volts. I should see if I can make that clearer. There we go. 90 degrees, sun and water resistant. Res 600 volts, FT2 CSA 500 watts. I assume that's what the W is. 90 degrees Celsius, LL 103932 FT2 minus 40 degrees C, P-7X-254013 HSHA. What is that? Minus 100,139 foot 22/354/15:18. And I think it's off, but I'm not gonna pull the wire caps off. When I looked before, there wasn't any signs of burning or anything like that. On that cabling, on this side, looking in right there, here's where the connectors were and are, and tracing the lights, looks like you've got a cap on that one, cap on that one. Looks like there's two caps coming off of it, and it's going to right here. And from the ground, looks like you've got that screwed in to right there. For these orange wires, you've got tracing that back around. Looks like they're all still in this brace. The orange one looks like it goes all the way up. Secured in right there. Those are loose. Tracing this purple one. Purple one's in there. Goes around. That's all still in the brace. Purple one likewise runs into there. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Not sure quite what else we can show you. Let's see where this black one goes. This black one traces around. It's plugged into right here. This first slot. I don't know what that is, but there's another one that comes out right here. I see a third slot. I don't know if anything goes in there or not. But looking at these boards, everything appears to be plugged in. If there's something supposed to be on this pin, there's not on that. That one is empty. All the wiring does seem to be attached pretty firmly or fixedly. Let's see, anything on this side? Looks like for these, the first one is plugged in, the second one, there's nothing in that one. Third and fourth one are full. That last one looks empty. Here's this pin board back there. Again, I wasn't here when the electrician did the install, so my assumption is that they were just messing with stuff on this side, but I didn't see what they actually did or did not do. I can have them call or talk to whomever to talk through exactly how they did it, but we had the ye old instruction book right up here, and there's our phone number stuff. We pointed out which model we've got. SYM-60-XT Bespoke BE1910060. So we gave him the instruction manual. Assume that we did wiring diagram 21. Let's see, where do they set stuff? So let's see. Probably don't need to be recording all of this. I figure out what to put onto camera. Grounding, locating, testing. Don't use power strip. Circle which diagram was theirs. Hardware installations, built-ins. Hardwire installation, because it did hardwire this in. Let's see, that's going to 120 for connecting to 240. So disconnect the NGL. Wire the junction back. Please make sure the live wire goes into the L1 and L2 is shown. The electrical wire N, G, type L1. So connect those to the fireplace. Turn the cover to a safe place. That should be the 2 screw caps. So it looks like that one should go into the main. There should be 2 screw caps. That one should go into the third one over. That one should go to the fireplace. So this one is in the neutral. Let's go into the neutral. This is upside down. Alright, so let's look at it this way. L2, L1, L2, G, G, L1, black, green, white, orange. So that's all done correctly. That is what they had. We've got a wire cap on it. This one's going back into the third one. There in the neutral. This one should go to the fireplace. Hopefully that's right. Yeah, so we gave them the instructions. I think that's what's connected. But if there's any other closer video that I can give or show, we can do that. Again, there's no scoring or burning on any of the outlets there. So try to take pictures of this as well, because who wants to watch a 9-minute video